It's another delicious day here in the Ginger's kitchen, and we're moving on with another protein shake. I'm on my health kick, so you're along for the ride too. I am going to make a vanilla strawberry protein shake today. So what I have, real simple, is 2 cups of frozen strawberries. These were fresh. They were starting to go a little on the maybe we should use them side, but I wasn't ready, so I cut them up and froze them ahead of time. And I have maybe a half a cup of ice mixed in with that. So we're just gonna put those right on in there. I love this new kitchen where my sink's like right there and I can just put stuff right in it. A cup of my almond milk. Again, you can use coconut milk, soy milk, any kind of milk that isn't a dairy milk, because we're using the whey protein. And if you're using a regular milk, what's the point of using a whey protein? We took all that other stuff out to have this, and then regular milk puts it back in. So that's why we're not using regular milk, although you could if you really wanted to. 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. I almost used a coconut this time, but the strawberry flavor would cover up that coconut a little too much, so it would kind of be a waste of the good coconut yogurt. So I have coconut Greek yogurt, but I'll make something with that one. Maybe I'll do like a tropical, maybe mango or something like that. I don't know. Okay. So that's that, and then I'm doing 2 scoops. This is for 2 people again. My daughter Anastasia is joining me on my health kick a little bit. So the standard recipe I will put down in the description. I'll put the recipe for 1 shake, and then if you want to make more than 1, this is what 2 looks like. I just want to clarify about that. This is the NB Pure Performance Plus protein powder. I have been really enjoying and liking the benefits of it. It's all natural. There's no junk in it. If you care to go take a look, there will be a link down below on finding that. Okay, let's give it a whirl. And we're good to go. I am just going to pour some in here. And whoop, there it blobs out. I think I need my spatula. This one's a little thicker. You could, if you want it thinner, add a little more milk. I happen to like them a little thick, so here we go. This is delicious. Thanks for joining me here today in the Ginger's kitchen. If there's something you'd like to learn how to make, put it down below. Any questions? Same thing.
That's one boy puppy.